Is that your color?
Everything in my clothes.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, I'm putting everything on my eye.
Okay.
I put it on my eyebrow.
On your eyebrow? No, honey.
Mommy, where I'm putting now?
That's perfect. Just like that, honey. Okay?
Glitter. What glitter?
The glitter?
What glitter you want me to put on?
Is there a pink glitter?
Yep.
Okay. Do that one.
I'll do that one later.
Okay.
Blue?
Blue? Okay.
No, the normal blue sparkle.
Blue sparkle?
The sun.
Okay.
About silver.
Silver?
I have silver.
Okay.
About silver.
Okay. I love you.
I love you.